Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the 2023 28 Molokai by Aquila. This is one of our great catamaran hulls, and this is really designed for doing a little bit of everything. It's a great fishing boat, great family cruiser, but it can handle some really rough sea conditions, hence the name. Come on aboard and let's check it out. One of the great features on this boat is this door that slides in and out, actually stores up in the head compartment. We've got a really large 4-foot platform on the back, great dive ladder, great fishing platform, lots of rod holders, got 3 on each side, plus the gunnel rod storage. Here's another cool feature. These are great seats. We've got one on each side, but they tuck completely out of the way, give you great storage, great room for fishing. Look at this huge tackle station. We've got freshwater sink, extremely large live well, great tackle prep area, drink holders. Here's where you put your fresh water in. We've got a composite hardtop frame, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about fasteners rusting or anything like that. Check out the nice stainless steel rod holders. Handles placed strategically. Very well thought out boat. Coming forward toward the helm, we've got more tackle storage here. A really nice, well thought out helm station. We've already got our electronics on here. We've got room for a second screen if you want it. And this boat's got the digital throttle and shift by Merc. Little storage and cell phone charger. Nice area up here with some sea decking, so you can put your electronic devices up there as well. Beautiful helm seat. We've got double wide helm seat with armrest. Here's another cool feature. You've got multiple footrest already, and then a drop down step here. Here's another great thing I like about this boat. This is how you get to your batteries right in here. So they're kept out of the weather, out of the salt air. We've got our battery switching right here. I want to show you something else great on this boat. It's the fish boxes. All right, we've got 2 of these on each side of the boat. These things are huge. And forward of me, we've got another one on each side of the boat that can double as rod storage or fish boxes. Let me get out here so I can show you the rest of the great features. If you'll notice all the bow seating on this boat, this thing is so well thought out. But all these cushions are removable if you want to use it just for fishing. Talking about using it for multiple use and family comfort, check out this huge head compartment. You notice we have our table stored in there. Got storage for the aft door. Huge room, nice porta potty. Here's another feature I really like that Aquila does well. Just check out the wiring on this model. They do a really good job with their modular wiring. Waterproof boxes, check that out if you need to add any electronics or even service the ones you have. These guys do a really good job. This boat's made for very rough sea conditions, but it sure is a nice family boat as well. Come check this one out and many of our other options we have here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.